If you're dealing with commercial LED lights that keep switching to daylight white because the color temperature selector switch craps out, you're definitely not alone. So here's the deal. Those selector switches inside your commercial LED fixtures can be super flaky, and yeah, they often fail after a while, leaving you stuck with harsh daylight white instead of the warm or neutral tones you wanted. First off, always check if the LED driver is compatible with the color temp switch, because cheap combos are usually a disaster waiting to happen. When installing, handle the switches gently. Too much force or twisting can wreck them early. If you spot flickering or inconsistent color temps, that's a red flag to inspect the switch and driver immediately. It helps to keep spare switches and drivers on hand so you're not scrambling when one goes bad. Also, try to buy from reputable brands that don't cut corners on internal components. It pays off in reliability. Don't forget to document which fixtures have this issue so you can track recurring problems and avoid repeats in future installs. Lastly, when replacing parts, make sure you match the exact specs to prevent compatibility headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with commercial LED lighting is ignoring the quality of the color temperature selector switch. Cheap switches fail fast and cause that annoying stuck-on daylight white problem. Another common issue is mixing incompatible drivers with switches, which leads to early failure or unpredictable color shifts. Always double-check specs before buying. Third, rushing installation or using too much force on delicate parts can break the switch, so take your time and handle everything carefully. The fix? Upgrade to higher quality switches and drivers from trusted brands, always verify compatibility before installation, and treat your gear with care during setup. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's an awesome way to connect with clients who need their skills, making it easier to keep busy and build a solid reputation.